So now let's see how we can go ahead and move files within folders inside of Terabox. So over here you can see that I am within a folder. And if I want to go ahead and move certain files inside another folder, then all I need to do is click and drag the file right here into the folder just like this, and the file will be moved inside. I can go around onto the top and click on the main folder right here just like this to see where my other files as well. So let's say I want to move out both of these files right here. So I can click and drag to select it, or I can use the check mark button right here, here on the left, and then click and drag both of the files right here inside of the folder just like this by clicking and dragging it inside, and that is what you have. So now if I were to go inside the folder, you can see the files right here just like this. I can also go around over here and then right click, and then you can see the move option right here, which allows me to go ahead and select out the folder as I need. For example, I can go around over here onto, let's say for example, sample folder, just like this in all files sample folder, or I can go to all files and move this particular file right here in the root as well, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and move out your files within Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.